Welcome to LazyBud GK One-Liner, your smart stop for quick, easy and powerful learning. This is Class 2 of our Ancient History series, covering the Harappan or Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest urban cultures. In this class, we'll go through 60 important one-liner question and answer on discovery, town planning, economy, religion, and the decline of this great civilization, perfect for all competitive exams. Let's begin. Section 1, Discovery and Chronology. Question 1. Who discovered the Harappan civilization? Answer. Dayaram Sahni in 1921 at Harappa, located in present-day Pakistan. Question 2. When was Mohenjo-daro discovered? Answer. 1922 by R.D. Banerjee. Question 3. Who officially identified the Harappan civilization as an ancient civilization? Answer. Sir John Marshall in 1924. Question 4. What is another name for the Harappan civilization? Answer. Indus Valley Civilization. Question 5. What was the time period of the Harappan civilization? Answer. Around 2500 BCE to 1750 BCE. Question 6. Which was the earliest site of the Harappan civilization? Answer. Mehergarh, around 7000 BCE, pre-Harappan phase. Question 7. Which are the major Harappan sites in present-day Pakistan? Answer. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chanhudaro. Question 8. Which are the major Harappan sites located in India? Answer. Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Rakhigarhi. Question 9. Which is the largest Harappan site in India? Answer. Rakhigarhi in Haryana. Question 10. Which is the largest Harappan site overall? Answer. Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. Section 2, Town Planning and Architecture. Question 11. What was the main feature of Harappan town planning? Answer. Grid system with streets meeting at right angles. Question 12. Which material was used for constructing Harappan houses? Answer. Baked bricks of uniform size. Question 13. How were Harappan cities divided? Answer. Citadel, upper part, and lower town, residential area. Question 14. Which was the most famous public structure at Mohenjo-daro? Answer. The Great Bath. Question 15. What was the purpose of the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro? Answer. Ritual bathing or religious purification. Question 16. Which Harappan site shows evidence of a dockyard? Answer. Lothal in Gujarat. Question 17. Which Harappan site had a water reservoir? Answer. Dholavira in Gujarat. Question 18. Which Harappan site had fire altars? Answer. Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Question 19. Which Harappan site had a stadium-like structure? Answer. Dholavira. Question 20. Where was the earliest ploughed field of the Harappan civilization found? Answer. Kalibangan. Busts in Silhouette Section 3, Society and Daily Life. Question 21. Did the Harappans practice social equality? Answer. Partial equality, economic differences seen in houses. Question 22. Did the Harappans know writing? Answer. Yes, script undeciphered. Question 23. What type of script was used by the Harappans? Answer. Pictographic, written right to left. Question 24. Was literacy common among Harappan people? Answer. Limited, mostly elites or priests. Question 25. Were women respected in Harappan society? Answer. Yes, goddess worship and female figurines found. Question 26. What type of clothes did the Harappan people wear? Answer. Cotton garments, men draped shawls. Question 27. What types of ornaments did Harappans use? Answer. Beads, bangles, gold and silver jewelry. Question 28. Did Harappans use cosmetics? Answer. Yes, mirrors, combs, lipstick traces found. Question 29. What types of toys were found at Harappan sites? Answer. Clay carts, whistles, animal figurines. Question 30. What is the evidence of music in Harappan civilization? Answer. Terracotta drums and rattles. Year of Rice Section 4, Economy and Occupations. Question 31. What was the main occupation of Harappan people? Answer. Agriculture. Question 32. What were the main crops grown in the Harappan civilization? Answer. Wheat, barley, rice, cotton. Question 33. Why are Harappans called the first cotton growers in the world? Answer. Cotton traces found at Mehergarh. Question 34. Which animals were domesticated by the Harappans? Answer. Humped bull, buffalo, elephant, goat, sheep. Question 35. Which animal was not known to the Harappans? Answer. Horse, rare evidence. Question 36. Did the Harappans use irrigation for farming? Answer. Yes, canals and reservoirs. Question 37. What were the major industries of the Harappan civilization? Answer. Bead-making, pottery, textile, metallurgy. Question 38. Which metals were known to the Harappan people? Answer. Copper, bronze, gold, silver. Question 39. Was iron known to the Harappans? Answer. No. Question 40. Did the Harappans trade with other regions? Answer. Yes, internal and foreign trade. Question 41. Who were the foreign trade partners of the Harappan civilization? Answer. Mesopotamia, Oman, Bahrain. Question 42. What evidence shows Harappan trade with Mesopotamia? Answer. Indus seals found there. Question 43. What currency system did Harappans use? Answer. Barter, no coins. Question 44. What were the main exports of the Harappan civilization? Answer. Beads, cotton, pottery. Question 45. What is the main evidence of Harappan sea trade? Answer. Dockyard at Lothal. Section 5, Religion and Culture. Question 46. Did the Harappans worship idols? Answer. Yes, terracotta figurines. Question 47. Who was the main female deity of the Harappan civilization? Answer. Mother Goddess. Question 48. Who was the main male deity worshipped by the Harappans? Answer. Protoshiva or Pashupti. Question 49. Did the Harappans worship nature? Answer. Yes, people, tree and natural forces. Question 50. Did the Harappans worship animals? Answer. Yes, bull, rhinoceros, tiger, elephant. Question 51. Did the Harappans believe in life after death? Answer. Yes, burial goods found in graves. Question 52. What proves fire worship in the Harappan civilization? Answer. Fire altars at Kalibangan and Lothal. Question 53. Did the Harappans perform sacrifices? Answer. Possibly, fire altars indicate rituals. Question 54. Did the Harappans know yoga or meditation? Answer. Yes, Pashupti seal shows yogic posture. Question 55. Did the Harappans build temples? Answer. No, none discovered. Funeral and Section 6, Decline and Legacy. Question 56. When did the Harappan civilization decline? Answer. Around 1750 BCE. Question 57. What were the possible reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization? Answer. Floods, droughts, river shifts, and trade decline. Question 58. Was the decline of the Harappan civilization caused by an Aryan invasion? Answer. No clear evidence, debated theory. Question 59. What were the major cultural contributions of the Harappan civilization? Answer. Town planning, drainage, crafts and cotton use. Question 60. Why is the Harappan civilization considered important? Answer. Foundation of Indian urban culture.